Are you typing the same Instagram reply over and over again? Answering DMs about pricing, availability, or how to book? There's a faster way, and it's built right into the Instagram app. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountability Buddies and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Today, I'm showing you how to use saved replies on Instagram so you can save time, stay consistent, and respond to inquiries more efficiently. So what are saved replies? Saved replies are pre-written responses that you can create inside Instagram DMs. They're perfect for pricing inquiries, booking information, frequently asked questions, sending links to your website, event details, or return policies. If you find yourself copying and pasting from notes or retyping the same message over and over again, this feature is for you. One thing to note, you do need a professional account, so either a creator or a business account, to use this feature. Here's how to set them up. First, open your Instagram profile and click Professional Dashboard. Scroll down to Save Replies and tap the plus sign to create a new one. In the shortcut field, this is the keyword you'll type in your DMs to trigger the saved reply. The message field should be the full response that will populate in your DM. You can also add a label for e-commerce. When you're inside a conversation, you can either type the shortcut word you created or tap this icon for your saved replies to pop up. Select the one you want and your full saved response will autofill. If someone DMs you, that's high intent. A fast, clear, concise response increases your chances of turning that inquiry into a sale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and sign up for our newsletter. I'll link it below.